to the channel. If you are a new driver or just looking to improve your skills, this video is all about the two most important parts of the driving: braking and steering. Let's start with the steering. Steering is more than just turning the wheel. It is all about control and keep your car in a right lane. First thing first, the correct grip. Place your hands on the wheels at the 9 and 3 position. Imagine the wheel like a clock. Your left hand goes on the 9 clock position and your right hand on 3 clock. This gives you the best control and it is the safest grip when driving. While driving, keep your hands on a steering wheel like 9 and 3 position. Your left hand is on 9 and right is on 3. And don't jerk your steering. Okay? Make it smooth. Don't be in a rush. And now when turning on left, remember to push and pull. If you need to take left turn, the wheel with push the wheel with your left hand and pull with your right hand. That will give you a smooth turn. See, don't jerk your wheel too much, otherwise your car will shake on the road. Just make it like this and you will get a smooth drive. So you just saw the left turn. What should be the your steering position on left turn, and same will go with the right turn. For the right turn, what you need to do is just pull your steering with the right hand and push it with the left turn. So you have to be very careful and don't jerk your steering while taking any turn, whether it's left or right. So now, if you are making a sharp turn, how you will do? Don't turn the wheel all at once. Instead, steer smoothly and allow your car to follow the road naturally. I will show how. So what you need to do first, ease off the accelerator and brake smoothly before entering the turn. Then next, turn the wheel gradually while keeping both hands on it, hand over hand or push-pull method. So now we are moving to the braking. But before doing the braking, I want to give a brief overview on all the paddles. Okay, so let's start with our ABC of paddles. So the first right paddle is A, and then B, and the third one is C. This A is accelerator, which is also called gas pedal, and the second one is a brake pedal. B is a brake pedal, and the C is clutch. So these both A and B will operate with the right leg and clutch with the left. But today we will focus on braking the B pedal. Let's see how. So braking. Braking is crucial for both safety and smooth driving. And the goal is to stop without jerking the car or making passengers feel uncomfortable. Let's see how the smooth braking system works. When you need to brake, don't slam your foot down. Start by gently pressing the brake pedal, then gradually apply more pressure as needed. There are three main rules of braking. 1. Brake early and smoothly. 2. Maintain control. And 3rd is adjust for conditions. Reduce speed and brake earlier in rain, snow and gravel roads. Remember, if you are approaching a stop sign or red light, give yourself plenty of time to slow down. Anticipating stop only is the key. This is not only ensures smoother stops but also conserves your brake pads. So far we have done with the steering and braking. And now it's time to discuss common mistakes to avoid. So the first mistake we do is oversteering. Turning the wheel too much or too quickly can cause your car to lose control. So always make smooth, gradual turns. And second mistake we do is slamming on the brakes. Here you will see the harsh braking, sudden and forceful. The brake pedal is pressed quickly and hard, and as a result you saw the bottle falls. While in smooth braking, it is a controlled and gradual application of the brakes to slow down or stop the vehicles without sudden jerks or discomfort of the passengers. Press the brake pedal lightly at first, then gradually increase pressure. Lightly press the brake to start slowing down. Increase pressure smoothly to reduce speed further. Ease off the brake slightly just before stopping to avoid a sudden jerk. And lastly, resting your foot on brake while driving can cause unnecessary wear on brakes and can cause overheat your system. So for the recap, put your hands on a 3 and 9 position, make a smooth brakes and anticipate stops. Practice makes man perfect. So go out, find a quiet place for you, make more and more practice and be a confident driver. And if you found this tutorial helpful, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any query, just write me in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with a new tutorial. Till then, bye bye and safe driving.